Our vision is to have so much game, everybody wants to partner with us. You do that, and there's no reason to change that statement. It's just one of those things that hopefully will live on forever, well past me. Abel Womack was founded in 1922, 100 years ago. It concentrated on, at the time, overhead cranes and hoists. In 1958, the Raymond Corporation asked Abel if they would be interested in taking on the Raymond lift truck line, which was a big adventure for them, completely different than what they had been doing. About 1995, we purchased Womack and became Abel Womack. Material handling used to be this little cottage industry with very few products. When I first started there, I never thought this could ever be created. You know, we were in this little ratty facility, like 10 people, and everything was paper, and we were very archaic, and there was no excitement. It was just kind of trudging through.
It's not just forklifts and racking that we're talking about nowadays. It's end-of-line palletizing, it's AGVs, automated picking robots. When you can have those next-level conversations with customers, it really sets Abel Womack apart as not just a forklift or a racking company, but a full integrated solutions provider. We're at the forefront here in the Northeast for what we can bring to the table that a lot of others of our size and caliber cannot.
It used to be that we would go in as subject matter experts. Before the internet was so prevalent, customers would bring us in because they had a problem, and they would have no idea what the solutions may be. These days, with the internet and the number of engineers and the amount of human assets that most, especially large customers, have, when they come to us or we find out about an opportunity, they're pretty far down the road in making a judgment on what direction they want to go and who they want to go with. But ultimately, somebody's got to make it happen. Somebody's got to actually design the system. Somebody has to take the risks of everything working correctly. Somebody has to engineer it, implement it, and then support it. So we do all of that. We take it to the next level.
Abel Womack has always known that the people are the most important asset here. When we're recruiting and when we're looking to add people to the team, we're looking for people who will work hard, give an honest effort, and then we've got their back, and that fosters teamwork in the organization. We also like to add people who are passionate about what they do. I think it is truly exciting to be here at this time. We're celebrating 100 years, coming off the COVID years, which caused some dynamic shifts in material handling. But we're not just standing, we're celebrating.
It's a lot to think about when you talk about a 100-year history of a company, because frankly in our industry, there's not a lot of that out there, especially when you see some of these robotics and automation companies that have come up in the last 5 years. So when you say to people that you've been around 100 years and you can actually stand behind that, it builds instant credibility to the longevity of a company like that.
This has been my life's work, so you can't help but take it personally. I mean, you can't work for almost 50 years for the same company and not feel that their success is your success. But on the other hand, I look at now, getting as close to the end as I am, is so what happens after me? But we have so much technology, so many smart people, and so much game that I just feel really excited because the future is there. That's got to be the mantra of the next group, because if they do a good job, this thing is going to go forever.